Nourish Physical Therapy. Today we are going to do posture video where I'm going to show you guys some postural exercises. So 4 components we are going to focus here: cervical spine, thoracic spine, scapula and shoulders. So what happens a lot of times, the scapula gets stuck and it doesn't move properly. The shoulder kind of goes forward, so the humeral head protrudes forward. Our aim in this video is to get your cervical spine back in its alignment, your shoulder blades moving freely, your thoracic spine back in its alignment, and also improving thoracic mobility, and your humeral head back in its position so it's not protruded forward. And as you can see, Mr. Bones is not aligned properly by itself. It needs to be more upright like this.
Slowly draw your head back so that your ears line up with your shoulders. You can also extend your spine to improve your cervical alignment. While lying on your back, you can tuck your chin towards your chest and press the back of your head into the table. Stand with your back against a wall. While making contact with your head, wrist, elbows and shoulders, slide your arms up and down.
This is your scapula right here. See, when I move it, you see it's moving. You feel it?
Yeah.
Right? So what happens, we activate these muscles a lot, and that's why the whole thing gets stuck like this. We want to relax it and strengthen the muscles here and do scapular retraction on both sides. Yes. Shoulders relax and going down. And yep, bring both shoulder blades together and down. Yes. Perfect. Good.
Nice.
Feels nice. That's right.
While holding an elastic band with both arms in front of you and with your elbows first bent to 90 degrees and then later with your elbows straight, squeeze your shoulder blades together as you pull back the band. Be sure your shoulders do not raise up.
Complete straight back. Bring your arms straight back. Don't lift your shoulders. Don't lift your shoulders from here. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep. So scapula's back. Shoulders don't lift. Yep. 3.
While holding an elastic band at your side and your elbow bent to 90 degrees, start with your hand near your midline and then pull the band away. Keep your elbow at your side entire time. Use a towel roll if needed. How much resistance you have to use and how many repetitions will depend on your therapy recommendations. Stand in a doorway and place your arms up on the door frame and lean in until a stretch is felt along the front of your chest and your shoulders. Your upper arm should be placed at different levels so that you can feel the stretch at different levels in the muscle. Lying face down with your arms straight near your sides, bring your arms up by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Look at different arm positions. This is an excellent exercise to improve strength of your scapular retractor muscles and improve your posture. Lie down on foam roller and allow your arms to drop towards the floor. Do snow angels gently while laying in this position. Make sure you don't have any discomfort or any tingling numbness in your fingers or arms while doing this exercise.
Perfect.
Using manual therapy is an excellent way to accelerate healing. I use different techniques like myofascial release, trigger point therapy, joint mobilization, soft tissue mobilization. I also have essential oil certification. I also use sound healing and chakra balancing techniques. I offer wellness visits for deep relaxation.
How are you feeling, Shreya?
Very sleepy and relaxed.
Thanks for watching this video, and thanks from me and from Leverage Physical Therapy.